Hello friends, this is Dorian Rachamim, founder of PowerKid. Oh, hello, it is always good to see you. And today I'm going to show you how to do problem number 17, which is on page 372 of the first No Calculator test in this book, which can be downloaded for free on Khan Academy. Here goes. A summer camp counselor wants to find a length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1,800 feet, 1,400 feet, 700 feet, and 800 feet respectively. Segments AC and DE intersect at B, and angle AEB and angle CDB have the same measure. What is the value of x? That is to say, they want to know what is the value of this thing right here, this x feet. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to mark up your sketch, okay? You want to do as little in your head as possible. So we've got AB is 1,800, AB is 1,800. We've got EB is 1,400, EB is 1,400. We've got BD is 700, BD is 700. And we've got the other one, CD is 800, CD is 800. Alrighty. Now, when you see triangles on the SAT, what I want you to think is similar triangles. Similar triangles means, if you're not certain, that you have two triangles whose angles all have the same measure. And let's say their sides are in these proportions, 1, 2, 3. A triangle similar to this one would have the angles of the exact same measure, but with proportionate side lengths, so 2, 4, and 6. Just scaled up and scaled down versions of each other. These are similar triangles. So when you see triangles on the SAT, there's a good chance that it's similar triangles. So see if that template applies. There's a good chance you'll be right. You will notice, if you remember your geometry, that these vertical angles are equal to each other. And in that case, because these two triangles have two angles which are equal to one another, you know as well that the third angles are equal to each other. And you can test that out by trying out numbers for the first two angles. Let's say you choose 50 and 70, and you'll find that the other angles are equal as well. Okay. So the fact that these triangles have equal angles lets you know that these triangles are similar triangles. All you have to do is flip this one over so that this angle over here now is sitting over there, okay? And you will have a picture of which sides are similar to which. I'm going to show you what I mean. So let me redraw the big triangle over here. This is the big triangle. Its sides are 1,400, x, and 1,800. Now I'm going to rotate this one around, and I'm going to draw a little version of this triangle. That's this triangle right here. Okay, and flipped over, this side is 700. This side is 800. 800, is that what it is? No, this side is 800. We don't know what this side is. Okay. Now the fact that this side is in proportion to this side by a factor of 2, that is, you divide by 2 to go in this way, you multiply by 2 to go in the other way, lets you know that all that angles, those sides will be in that proportion. So if this side is 1,800, then you know that this side will be 900. Just divide 1,800 by 2, you get 900. And in that case, if this side is 800, you simply multiply that side by 2, and you know that x has to be 1,600 feet long. And that is your answer, 1,600.